Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, Joomla versus WordPress. If you're building a website and can't decide which content management system, CMS, to use, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can make an informed choice. First off, both WordPress and Joomla are powerful CMS platforms that let you create and manage websites without needing to be a coding expert. WordPress, which powers over 40% of the web, is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's perfect for bloggers, small businesses, and e-commerce sites. On the other hand, Joomla offers more built-in features for complex projects like community portals or government websites, making it a bit more robust out of the box. One of the biggest differences in 2025 is ease of use. WordPress has evolved with intuitive drag-and-drop builders and a massive library of plugins and themes. Think thousands of options to customize your site quickly. Joomla, while flexible, has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners, but it shines in areas like access control and multilingual support, which are enhanced with AI integrations this year. When it comes to performance, WordPress sites can be lightning fast with proper optimization, thanks to tools like Gutenberg blocks and advanced caching. Joomla might edge out in handling larger, more intricate databases, but it requires more manual tweaks. Cost-wise, both are free and open source, but WordPress often has cheaper premium themes and plugins due to its huge community. Security is a top priority in 2025, with both platforms receiving regular updates. WordPress benefits from a larger user base, meaning quicker patches for vulnerabilities, while Joomla's strength lies in its granular user permissions. So, which one should you pick? If you're a beginner or need something quick and versatile, go with WordPress. For more advanced, customizable setups, Joomla might be your winner. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Test them out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your go-to CMS? See you next time.